37th solution. What's the question given? We need to find the product of. So let me write here directly given product of, or given to find product of. Whose product? Product means what? Multiplication. We need to find the product of 5x square minus 7x, 5x square minus 7x plus 6, and 3x, right? And then after multiplication, we have to verify when x is equals to 2. So that's verification. That is the second job. First, we need to find the product, and the second job is we need to verify by substituting x is equals to minus 2. So first, as it is asked to find the product, what we are going to do is we are going to keep multiplication symbol in between 5x squared minus 7x plus 6 and 3x, because product stands for multiplication. But only if you keep multiplication, that is not going to work. Even you have to keep bracket also. When you keep bracket, then only this 3x will be distributed inside, right? Otherwise, if you don't keep the bracket, this 3x will be multiplied only with 6. So that's the meaning. I hope you understood. So now let me move ahead. We are going to multiply 5x squared into 3x. 5x squared into 3x, right? Then we have minus 7x into 3x, minus 7x into 3x, and finally plus 6 into 3x, plus 6 into 3x. So this is what I call as distributive property. Here what we have done, we have distributed 3x to each term of the first given bracket. So distributive property, that's the reason. Right, cool. So here, one more thing you need to do, that is you need to understand what are the terms now. So into will help us to find the term. This is the first term, this will be the second term, and this will be the third term, right? Yeah. Now let me move ahead. We have an order. Order means, yeah, when we do multiplication, we follow certain order, like symbol into symbol first, symbol into symbol, and after that we have number into number, and finally variable into variable. This is the order which we need to maintain, right? So let me do the first multiplication here. Here nothing is there. If nothing is there, it means it is plus, right? So plus into plus again. So that's, I'm doing the symbol into symbol, right? So plus into plus will be plus. So plus is not actually needed to write. And then we have 5 into 3. That is the second one, number into number. So 5 3s are 15. Then we have variable into variable. That is x squared into x. X multiplied 2 times, then again 1 time multiplied. So on the whole, x is 3 times. Right, great. Now minus into plus, it will be minus. Minus into plus is what? Minus. Then 7 3s are, it's 21. And after that, x into x. X is multiplied 2 times, so x squared. Great. So that's the second term over. Next, plus 6 into 3. So plus 6 into plus 3. That plus into plus is plus. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. And then we don't have any variable here. Only x is there, right? So just one time we need to write x. So here we need to check whether any further simplification is possible or not. So when that is possible, in case if we are getting any like terms, but here you see we are getting 3 terms, and fortunately all the 3 terms are unlike terms. That is, this is having x cubed, this is having x squared, and this is having x. So nobody is like, right? All are different. So we started with this, right, into, and we ended with this. So now what we are getting like this. We need to write like this. Therefore, when we multiply 5x squared minus 7x plus 6 with 3x, this is multiplication, we are getting 15x cubed minus 21x squared plus 18x. So we started with this and we ended up with this. Now the first job is over. We got the product. This is the product. This is the product. Now what's the second work? The second work is we need to substitute x is equals to -2, and then we have to check whether it holds true or not. So like right here, put x is equals to -2. That is, now let us substitute x as -2. So wherever you see x, what you have to do, you have to substitute -2, not only in the LHS, but also in the RHS. So these are the places where we need to substitute x as -2. So it will become 5 into, this is x, right? So -2 whole square. Then after that, -7 into x is coming again. So -2, that is, bracket is helping us to understand that it is multiplication, right? When I say 7x, what does it mean? 7 into x. So 7 into -2. Then we have +6. A bracket is closed. Again, we have 3 into -2, right? And then equals to 15x cube. So x will be replaced as -2 whole cube. Then -21x squared. That is -2 whole square plus 18 into -2. So everybody, did you understand this? What did I do here? I have substituted in the place of x as -2. I hope everybody got me, right? Yeah. Is my network coming very speedy or it's very slow? You are able to see me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you're able to see the board? Now you're able to see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. That means it's a speed up, right? So now let me solve inside. First, we have certain rules like board mass. So which says that first we need to work off, or we need to try to remove the brackets off. That means remove the bracket. So first go inside and see here, 5 into -2 whole square, right? Minus square is plus and 2 square is 4. So here -2 whole square will become 4. 5 into 4. Then after we have here, directly we can multiply. Minus into minus is plus. 7 twos are, it's 14. 7 twos are, it's 14, right? So plus 14. And then we have plus 6, right? The next term plus 6. So that's over. And here what happens? Here nothing is there, means plus. So plus into minus. Got it? So plus minus will be minus. Yes, Nana, tell.
Sir, -2 whole square is equal to -4, no?
No, beta.
You can
No,
only
beta.
4.
Yeah. It is -2 whole square, Nana. What does -2 whole square means? -2 whole square means -2 into -2. I have already said that if minus is multiplied even times, then we get a plus. And if minus is multiplied odd times, then we get a minus. So here minus is multiplied even times. 2 is even, now here. So when it is even, we get plus. Here you see minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 twos are 4. So that's what I got here, 4. Now here you can see when we do -2 cube, then you can understand what we are going to get there, right? So please don't get confused here. -2 whole square, it will be 4 plus, because -2 times multiplied means it will be plus, right? If it is -2 whole cube, guys, -2 whole cube. Now here minus is multiplied odd times. That is, here you can see minus, if it is multiplied odd times, then we get minus here. And then 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is -8, which we will get. I hope you understood, right? Yeah. So let me move ahead. Plus into minus is minus. Then we have 3 2 times. It is 6. 3 twos are 6. These are the simple things which you have to remember, Nana. One time if I say, you have to put it in your brain. You have to try to remember that if minus is multiplied even times, we get plus. If minus is multiplied odd times, we get minus. So till here I have multiplied, then we have equals to. So let me write here equals to. Then what we have? We have 15. So let me write here 15. And now -2 whole cube, right? -2 whole cube. This is what we have. So what does actually -2 whole cube means? It is -2 into -2 into -2, right? So minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 2 2 times, it's 4. 4 2 times, it's 8. So that's why we get minus 2 cube as minus 8, right? So it's a very basic thing you need to remember, right? Okay, so Harshit, if it is minus 7 whole to the power of 21. Now I'm not asking what is 7 power 21, but tell me about the symbol minus and whole power 21. So we will get minus or plus in the answer. What we will get?
Sir, minus.
Minus we will get. Very good. Because minus is multiplied odd times. Odd times. 21 is an odd number. So if you multiply odd times, then definitely we will get a minus. Thank you. I think that I helped you. You got that how we are getting minus and when we will get minus. Now here minus 2 whole cube will become minus 8. Very carefully we have to do. Then minus 21 we have. Please write minus 21 into. This is into actually. Minus 2 whole square. This thing already we have done here. Minus 2 whole square. We wrote as 4. So the same thing is coming here. Minus multiplied even times. Minus multiplied 2 times. It's plus. 2 multiplied 2 times. It's 4. Now these are free. These are free. Free means here there is no power. Right? So we can directly multiply now. Like this. Like what? Like plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus obviously. And 18 2 times is 36. We are not yet done. We are not yet done. Now let me take it inside. Now 4 times it's 20. Then we have plus 14 plus 6 is also 20. And outside we have into minus 6. So into minus 6 is equals to, now here be careful, plus into minus, plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. Now 15 8 times. 15 8 times. I think it's 120. Am I correct? Am I correct? 120. 15 8s are 120.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes,
Multiples. Then we have minus. Minus into plus is again minus. 21 4 times. 4 1 times 4. 4 2 times 8. Then we have finally minus 36. So minus 36. So in this step, what did I do? Actually, from here to here, what did I do? I just removed the powers. I have only removed the powers. That's what I have done. And in the very second step, what I did do, I have multiplied. I have multiplied. Wherever there was necessary, I multiplied, right? Yeah, now let us further solve. 20 plus 20 is 40, Nana. 40 into minus 6. And here we are getting all negative numbers, right? All negative numbers. So obviously, when it is all negative numbers, otherwise you can do 2 2 like this. You underline. Now minus 120 minus 84, both are negative. So obviously you have to add, because if both symbols are, if you are getting both symbols same, then you need to add. And if you get opposite sign, then we will be doing subtraction. Both are minus and minus here. So minus 120 minus 84. I think it's minus 204 when you add. Right? Minus, because the bigger here is 120 and it is having minus symbol. So that's the reason why we put again minus. So this underlined thing, minus 120 minus 84, we got minus 204 and still we have minus 36. Please don't forget that. Now here, let me do this one. What we will get here, 40 into minus 6. So first we will be doing plus into minus. That is symbol into symbol. Plus into minus is minus, obviously. 40 into 6 is 240, right? We got LHS as 240. Let us see RHS what we'll get. RHS, when you add this two, again, the situation is same. Both are negative. This is minus, even this is minus. So if both are same sign, we will be adding. So first add 204 plus 36 is 240. Then who is the bigger number? 204. What is its symbol? Minus. So we will be keeping that symbol also in front of the sum, whatever we get. So here, what do you observe? We observe that both LHS and RHS are same. LHS is equals to RHS. So our second task was to verify. And finally, with proud, we can write hence verified. Hence verified. So when we verify, if we are getting LHS is equals to RHS, then only we say that it's verified. I hope everybody understood. You can show me thumbs up, and then I'm decreasing the size so that you can take screenshot of this. Yeah. Please take screenshot and tell me done. Just a minute. Atrik is joining now. The time is 8:49 and he's joining now. Done. Harshit, Chinmay. Remaining
Yes, sir.
people. Chandrahasa.
Sir, done.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Great. Now, children, let me take you to the presentation again back. Here, 38th question. Have a look. Find the product of. It is very similar to 37. Find the product of 3x minus 7 into 4x plus 6 and verify it when x is equals to 1. So don't you think it is very same to 37? First, you should multiply. You will get the product. That is 3x into total 4x plus 6 minus 7 into total 4x plus 6. First, you do multiplication. How you did 35th one? Very same like that only, right? So after doing multiplication, you will write therefore, like this. You will write therefore, right? LHS and RHS. What was the question and what we got? And then you substitute, put x is equals to 1 instead of minus 2. What the question is asking? The question is asking when x is equals to 1, right? I hope you will do this. Thank you. Now let me move to the good thing. That is, by using an appropriate identity. We have a lot of identities which we have learned. What were there? Let me show you. The bird is coming back. Yeah, these were the identities, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 identities we have learned. So now is the time to once again apply this one. The formula which we have learned, the identities which we have learned. Now we are going to use them to solve our problems, to solve our questions. So without wasting time, the first one, you see 3x plus 4y whole square. So the first task is identifying, Tapasvi. First task is to identify how it is looking. It is looking like a plus b whole square. So we have bunch of formulae. Among those bunch of formulae, which formula, which identity we can use here? That's called appropriate. Okay. We cannot use a minus b whole square because minus is not here. So yeah, 40th one also a plus b whole square. But when we come to 41, have a look. Here minus is there and here square is there and two terms are there. So it will help us. This symbol minus, yes, a minus b whole square. Similarly, 42 also a minus b whole square. Yeah. 43rd one, a plus b into a minus b. Because when I say a, it is x here. When I say again a second time, again it is x here. B is 2y and again it is 2y, right? So this is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let me take to the board again. Yeah. So let us solve 39th first. 39th solution. We have a tradition of writing given, right? What's given? Given 3x plus 4y whole square. So as you already identified that it is in the form of who? The given question. It is in the form of. Now when we write it is in the form of, next we have to change our line. We should write here. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Yeah, definitely it is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? Yeah. Now we need to write what is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Got it? Yeah. Now once again, let me write exactly below this a plus b whole square, 3x plus 4y whole square. Now what's this? This is nothing but the given question. Now why I'm writing exactly below? So that I can understand that a should be replaced by 3x and b should be replaced by 4y. I mean to say, wherever you see a, you should write as 3x. Wherever you see b, you should write as 4y. That's the job. That's what we have to do. I hope you got me. So now let me do that. Is equals to, first I got a here. This is a. So a will be replaced as 3x. So 3x, and if I write square here like this, that's wrong because we need to give whole square. That square should be given for 3 also, for x also. Please remember 3x square and 3x whole square. The meaning is different. Here the square is only for x, whereas this square is applied for both the terms which are inside. Sorry, both the numbers or literals which are inside. So for 3 also, for x also. I hope you got me. So we need to keep whole square, right? Yeah. Next we have plus 2 into a. Again we got a here. Again we got a here. So what we will write? 3x. Because a should be written as 3x and b should be written as 4y. Now b we got into 4y plus again b, 4y square. Right. Is it correct? Is it correct? 4y square.
Yes, sir. Wrong, sir.
No, it is not correct. Here square is given only for y. Yeah, we have to keep whole square. Thank you. Thank you. So now, you know, we have a formula which says that if we have a into b inside and there is some whole power, and that power will be distributed for both the terms inside, that is a power m into b power m. Actually this is into here, right? So that power m we are giving for both the terms which are inside. So when we give the square to the 3, we get 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. And then when we give the square to the x, we get x square. So 9x square plus, these all are 3 numbers which can be multiplied, like 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24. So number into number, that's what I have done. So 24 I got, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Then we have x into y, which are variables. So we can write here x, y. Then plus, again the square will be given for 4 first. 4 square. 4 square is not 8. 4 square doesn't mean 4 into 2. It means 4 into 4. That is 4 multiplied 2 times. We get 16. And then we have y square. Right? Yeah. So this is your answer. This is your answer. So at last, we have a habit of concluding, right? So at last, we can write therefore, one step, therefore, 3x plus 4y whole square. This is something which we started. And then we got like this. We got like this is equals to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y squared. This is our conclusion. Right. I hope everybody understood it in a proper manner. So you can take it and tell me done.
Done.
Done?
Sir, we already did this like this problem one time.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
So done.
So now let me take to the 40th question, guys. So 40th solution. What is the 40th question? Have a look. 40th question is 5x plus 1 by 5x whole square. Wow, good question. 5x plus 1 by 5x whole square. Sorry, I forgot here. Given. We need to write that. Now, Tapasvi, this is in the form of, identify. This is in the form of which formula, which identity, appropriate one. This is in the form of, yeah, thank you, thank you. This is in the form of, where should I write a plus b whole square? Here? No, down. Why? So that later I can write exactly below that the given one, and I can compare what is a and what is b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So picking the appropriate identity is over. Now let me write the given one once again here. Once again here we will be writing 5x plus 1 by 5x whole square, right? Yeah. So now Chandrahasa, you can answer me. What I should replace in the place of a? In the place of a, what should I write? Respond me quickly. Chinmay, in the place of a, what I should write? Are you there, people?
So I tell.
Yeah, tell Nana, tell. Why people are not able to answer me? Network issue.
Place of here we have to write 5x.
Very good. Thank you. It you know, gives me some sort of more energy that whatever I am saying, you are understanding what I am teaching. In the place of b, what we should write, Nana?
1 by 5.
1 by 5x. Very good. Thank you. So we got a here. Very first we got a here. So I'm going to replace it with 5x. Right. So a will be written here as 5x. But please don't forget to keep whole square. Plus 2 into a. A is 5x into 1 by 5x, that is b, plus b square, 1 by 5x whole square, right? Yeah. So now let me move ahead. In the first term, what will happen? In the first term, as you know that we have some formulae like, since previously I have written a into b whole to the power of m will be written as a power m into b power m. So based on this identity, this m should be given for both a and for even b also, for both a and b. So your square will be given for 5, right? And what we will get, 5 square. 5 square means it's 10. No, it's 25 into 5. Yeah, then x square. That's what I'm getting. Now you have a look here first. See, what does this mean actually? This is 2 into 5x into 1 by 5x. So here 5x is upside and 5x is denominator. So here 5x and 5x both are, getting cancelled each other. So here I can do that. I can do the cancellation of 5x and 5x. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. X and x will get cancelled because they are multiplication in between, right? No, not like that. At a time we need to strike out, right? So 5x and 5x both will get cancelled. And what we are left with? We are left with 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is what? It is 2 plus. Now you see, previously it was into, and we gave the square for both, right? Now what we have in the third term, have a look, we have by. So even though the square should be given for up and for the denominator, for both numerator and denominator. So which formula we will be using here? We will be using here a by b whole power m is equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m, right? Yeah. So these are the two formulae which are helping us, which are guiding us. So now first give square to the 1. It becomes 1 square. 1 square is 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 upon. Now the 2 will be given for 5x here. So the square will be given for 5. 5 square is 25. And again 2 will be given for x, right? So it becomes what? It becomes 25x squared. Okay. So
1 by x square.
1 by 25x squared. So here let me tell you that always the constant should be written in the last. Always the constant should be written in the last. That means a term which is not having any variable is called constant term. So let me write that in the last, and we'll get here 25x squared plus 1 by 25x squared plus 2, right? Yeah. So our conclusion time, at last here we will be writing, therefore, let me pick some color here. Which color? Yeah, this color. Therefore, we started with 5x plus 1 by 5x whole square. And we got, when we expand, the expanded form is 25x squared plus 1 by 25x squared plus 2, right? Yeah. So this is your answer. I hope you got me. Everybody understood? Clear? Respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If it is yes, please take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot of this.
Done.
Done? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Done.
Now, yes,
Done.
Beta. Now 41 question is in the format of Tapasvi. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that's your job that you have to do. Now let me go with the 40. The next question, what it is? It is 42. 3x minus 1 by 3x. Wow, it's same like this 40th one, right? But in the place of plus, we have minus. In the place of 5x, we have 3x. So 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. 42nd question. Let me take 42nd question here. 42nd solution. Yeah, we have a good habit of writing given.
Homework.
Just a minute. Yes, Nana, homework. 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. This is given. Now we need to identify that this is in the form of, obviously, you can identify this is in the form of a minus b whole square. This is in the form of, right, let me write here. This is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. No confusion, great combination. What is that? Bingo, mad angles. So now the 3x, the given thing, 3x minus 1 by 3x, I'm writing exactly below. Now you can have a look. In the place of a, I'm going to write 3x. In the place of b, I'm going to write 1 by 3x. So a we got here, 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 1 by 3x. So this bracket is nothing but into, right? So plus b squared, that is 1 by 3x whole square. I got that. Now let me solve it further. We have a bunch of formulae which we have to use. That is same like previous one. A into b whole power m is equals to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. The reasons also we need to mention, Nana. Then third term will take help of this formula. That is a by b whole power m is equals to a power m upon b power m. So this is very similar to the previous question which we solved. So that's why I'm going a little bit speed up, like 3 square, we will get 9. And after that we have x square. So x square will be written as it is. Then here 3x and by 3x will be getting cancelled. We are left with minus, respect the minus, 2 1 times. 2 1 times it is 2. Then we have plus 1 square is 1 upon 3 square is 9. Then after that x square will be as it is. So what we are getting? We are getting 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. And after that, the constant, that is without any variable. So we started with what? We started with 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square. And finally, what we got? We got 9x square plus 1 by 9x square and then minus 2. That's it. This is your answer. Please take a screenshot. I hope there will not be any doubt, right? There's no doubt, I think. Screenshot done?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Good. So now moving on to the next question. Yeah, it's 43 one. 43, it is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. You will write first given a plus b, given x plus 2y into x minus 2y. Then you will write this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Below that again you will write x plus 2y into x minus 2y is equals to x square minus 2y whole square. That means what? In the place of a you are writing x, in the place of b you are writing 2y. So 2y whole square. And when you further expand, you will get x square minus 4y square. I repeat, the answer finally, what you will get, let me write the answer here. You should get, yeah. So here you will be getting the answer for this one as x square minus 4y square. So even this is also your homework and this is also your homework. 2 questions, right? Now 44th one, let me solve. Okay, so first we have what? Tradition of writing given. So let me write here given. What's given? Given is x plus y into x minus y into x square plus y square. Wow, it's a good question again. So we are having 3 different things multiplied, right? X plus y into x minus y. First, I will be doing this one, right? So I can write this is in the format of which one? This underlined one is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. So directly here, what I can do is I will write here as a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So don't consider again this as by. This is not by. I have just underlined it so that you can understand that I am first going to operate this one, this x plus y into x minus y. So what we will get here? We will get x plus y into x minus y. Exactly below you can see a is replaced by x and b is replaced by y. So in the RHS also do the same thing. In the place of a, please write x. And in the place of b, please write y. So x square minus y square. So this is what? This is only this one. The first 2 terms, 2 things have been multiplied and we got this one. Now this will become what? So we will get finally So we will write here the question becomes, the question transforms or becomes. Let me write here becomes. Amma? Inkever raledamma. X plus y into x minus y, we will write x square minus y square. So here what did I do? In the place of x plus y into x minus y, I'm writing x square minus y square. And then still we have something that is into x square plus y square. Right? Now, once again, children, once again, this is in this format only. A minus b into a plus b. Right? So again, this is what? A minus b into a plus b. So here, a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. Both the things are same. Right? 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Multiplication is commutative. We'll get the same answer. So now here what I can do, as we are getting again the same form, we can write here a, this is a, because I compared it with a minus b, right? Just a minute. I compared here as a minus b into a plus b. So here you observe what is a? What is a? A is x square. So I will be writing here the same thing. That is x square is a. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. This is a, and then I'm writing whole square. That is a. This is a square minus b. What is b? Y square. And again square. So this is a square, then b square. A square into b square. Right? What is the reason? The reason is again the same thing. This formula, a plus b into a minus b. Now this will become, we have learned this, that if there is a power m for a, and again we are getting power n, then this will become what? This will become a to the power of m into n. Right? Yeah, these powers will be multiplied. Simply thus two powers will be multiplied. So here also 2 into 2 will get 4 here. They will be multiplied. Minus y 2 into 2 is again 4. So this is your final answer, x power 4 minus y power 4. So the same formula we are applying 2 times here. Please remember that. Okay. We are applying how many times? 2 times. Thank you. That's your 44th answer. Please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and tell me done.
Done. Sir, done.
Yeah. Yes, beta.
Sir, done.
So we have still 3 minutes. So let me go with one more question in a speed up manner, because we have to rush. Otherwise, we have many bunch of questions here. Yeah. So we have one more bit, that is from 45 to 52, which are also following some appropriate identity. We have to use identity, and then we have to find the first one. I'm going to tell Anna, you will be doing 46th one. 45th one I will tell. 46th one will be homework. That's it. So 45th one, 102 whole square. So let me take that. 45th one, right? 45th solution. 45th solution. What we have to find? We have to find given 102 whole square. See, generally 102 whole square means what? It is 102 into 102, right? But we are not going to do like this, because the question is demanding. What the question is demanding? That we have to use an appropriate identity. We should use identity, and then we have to find. So what I can do is, I can write that 102 is 2 more than 100. 102 is 2 more than 100. Is that clear? Is that clear? So for my convenience, I'm writing it as 100 plus 2, because 100 square will be very simple for me to identify. So now have a look. Here, this is in the format of a plus b whole square. So every time we do that, here also you should write this is in the form of, this is in the form of, yeah, what is it? It is form. It is in the format of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus, yeah, plus 2 into ab plus b square. So when you write this 100 plus 2 whole square, 100 plus 2 whole square, have a look. In the place of A, you should write 100. In the place of B, you should write 2. So A, it's 100 square, plus 2 into A is 100, into B is 2, plus B square is 2 square, right? So 100 square means we will get 4 zeros, plus 2 into 100 is 200, 2 into 100 is 200, 200 into 2 is 400, plus 2 square is what? It is 4. So how simply we are, we are getting the answer as 10,404. This is your answer, right? You may think, sir, 102 whole square is doing better. 102 into 102, like this, if you do, you will get again the same answer, right? 10,404 only you will get. But there you need to multiply 3 times, and here we are using the identity. Right, please take a screenshot, children, and tell me done.
Done.
Done? Yeah.
Done.
Just a minute. Thank you for today's class. I hope everybody has understood whatever I have taught today. Please do the homework. Now,